You heard about the object-oriented way to become wealthy. It is called inheritance. Do you want to hear another one?
Yes.
Yes. In 40 years, robots will be doing most of the work humans don't want to do. Especially illegal robots from Mexico. Do you want to hear another one?
Yes.
Yes. What's silver and lies in the grass? Arp-do-do-do. Do you want to hear another one?
Yes.
Yes. Why did the robot go back to robot school? Because his skills were getting a little rusty. Do you want to hear another one?
Yes.
Yes. What is a robot's favorite type of music? Heavy metal. Do you want to hear another one?
Yes.
Yes. How do you keep a robot in the shower all day? Give him a bottle of shampoo which says, wash, rinse, repeat. Do you want to hear another one?
Yes.
Yes. How many software engineers does it take to change a light bulb? None. It's a hardware problem. Do you want to hear another one?
No.
No. It was a pleasure entertaining you. Goodbye.